Lydia from Jack and the Wolf in the UK. Today I'm going to be showing you a sleek half up half down look using the HAIRSTAY Firm Finishing Hairspray. So I've started by blow drying THERMASHAPE Hot Flex Spray into the hair for heat protection and hold. And now I'm just going to glide through the ends with a flat iron to create some shine. So now I'm going to spray a bit of firm finishing spray in at the root section by section to keep it nice and flat to the head. So here's the finished look. As you can see, it's got a really strong hold and it's left a gorgeous shine on the hair, but no residue or flakiness. So that's it guys. Thanks so much for watching and check out more amazing videos like this on our channel.